Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted on Facebook they're making a heart-shaped keychain, but wanted an engraved edge around the outside, just inside the hairline. There's at least two ways to do this. One of them would be to go up to Effects, Contour, Contour to the inside. And this way you do have a little bit of control because you can control the thickness. I'm going to say 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to do it in black. Now immediately I would go to Arrange and break contour apart. Then you can take your Smart Fill tool and fill in this. I would set my nudge factor pretty high so you can move your Smart Fill away, and then to make sure you delete that interior line so it will not cut, and then move that back. And as you can see, you've got a red hairline around that item. Now the other way to do it, and it may be a little bit safer, that way in case you have a double hairline, would be to go Control D and make a duplicate of that, and then go down to your pen tool and make it something other than, red, and make it black. Make it something other than a hairline, and I use points, but I guess you could use inches and you could have a little bit more control maybe. There's 1/4 of an inch. Now here's the key. You want it inside the object and then hit OK. That way you don't have that hairline and you still have a red hairline around it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.